So originally when I brought my mom to New York, she was like, I want to have all the American food and cute avocado toast that you guys have every day. And then I finally took her to a Korean restaurant.
맛있어?
밥을 봤어. 그냥 밥을. 맨날 빵 먹잖아.
I've never seen her so happy at the sight of white rice. It's her first time in New York in 3 years, and as someone who doesn't really speak English, she does feel very foreign and scared in the city. And as soon as she tastes this, she feels like she's back at home. Just watching her eat makes me so happy and my heart full. My mom got this fermented soybean stew with mackerel, and I got this sweet pork and kalbitang on the side. We always get mackerel because it's one of the healthiest superfoods of the sea and high in protein and collagen. Then we went to the bakery right next door. As much as we love healthy food, my mom and I also love bread and sweets. Then we went to H Mart. She felt so at home, except she was like, what are these prices?
야, 맞아. 근데 내가 말린 고사리를 하면
She's literally getting a culture shock with all of these prices. She's like, I should make this and sell it at much cheaper prices. I usually get this black bean dish, but she was like, nope, you're not allowed to get that today. Same for this. After she saw the prices of kimchi, she was like, you know what? I'm going to make my own kimchi because I'm not letting you spend like $15 on a tiny jar of kimchi. She's going for the salt and gochugaru for the kimchi she's going to make for me. She did say that the meat at H Mart seems a lot more high quality than the meat that she saw at Trader Joe's. On our way out, she was like, you know what? I want some more cabbage. And this is a little haul of everything we got at H Mart today.